10th one. Find the coordinates of the point where the line through 516 and 341 crosses YZ plane. So we have to find the point of intersection of line and YZ plane. So first we have to find the equation of line passing through 516 and 341. So equation of line through 516 and 341 is, apply the formula x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1 equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. This is the equation of line passing through two given points. So substitute this point x1 y1 is z1, x2 y2 is z2. Substitute here. So x minus x1 5 divided by x2 minus x1 3 minus 5 negative 2, y minus y1 1, 516 and 341, 516 341. So y minus 1 by 4 minus 1, that is 3, equal to z minus 6 divided by 1 minus 6, negative 5. So this is the equation of line passing through 516 and 341. 2.4 of equation of line. So find the coordinates of the point where the line through these 2 points crosses YZ plane. So this is the equation of the line. X minus 5 by minus 2, y minus 1 by 3, z minus 6 by negative 5. And we can equate this to lambda and we get a general point on the line in terms of lambda. So we can find the general point on the line. So any point on the line is of the form. Any point on the line is of the form. In terms of lambda, we can find x coordinate. X minus 5 by minus 2 equal to lambda. Therefore, x equal to minus 2 lambda plus 5. Like that, we can find x coordinate, y coordinate, z coordinate and write directly. So, we can write that. Is of the form x coordinate minus 2 lambda plus 5, negative 2 lambda plus 5. Then y coordinate 3 lambda plus 1. Then z coordinate negative 5 lambda plus 6. So this is the coordinates of any point on the line. Now we want to find the point of intersection of line and plane. That means the point of intersection of line and plane means this general point, any point on this line, we can substitute in the equation of YZ plane. That means it is a point on the YZ plane and we know on the YZ plane x coordinate is 0. Any point on the YZ plane has x coordinate 0. So here if this point is a point on the YZ plane, x coordinate will be 0. So because we want to find the point of intersection of line and plane. That means common point of line and plane. So since it is a point on the plane, x coordinate will be 0. So we can equate the x coordinate. It is a point in the YZ plane. Therefore, x coordinate is 0. Therefore, minus 2 lambda plus 5 equal to 0. Therefore, lambda equal to 5 by 2. So lambda equal to 5 by 2. So now we can substitute in this and we get the required point. Therefore the required point is substitute this lambda in this coordinate. So here we substitute, that is required point is this one, that is equal to minus 2 into x coordinate will be 0. Since it is a point on a YZ plane, x coordinate is 0. If you substitute in the x coordinate, we get 0. 5 by 2 minus 2 into 5 by 2 plus 5. That will be 0. So 0, then 3 into 5 by 2. 3 into 5 by 2 plus 1. Then minus 5 into 5 by 2 plus 6. These are the coordinates. That is 0, 15 by 2 plus 1, 17 by 2. Then minus 25 by 2 plus 6, that is minus 25 plus 12, that is minus 25 by 2 plus 6, that is minus 25 plus 12, that is minus 30, that is minus 13 by 2. So this is the point of intersection of line and plane. So to find the point of intersection of line and plane, first find the general point, first find equation of line, then find the general point on the line and substitute that point in the equation of plane. If the equation of plane is given, here given that it is y-z plane, so x coordinate is 0. So we can equate x coordinate to 0 and we can get the value of lambda. After getting lambda, substitute here itself and we get the required point. Now see here, same type question is 12th also. Here, find the coordinates of the point where the line through 3 minus 4 minus 5 and 2 minus 3 1. So here also we have to find the equation of line passing through these 2 points. And we have to find the point where that line crosses the plane, this plane. So that means we have to find the point of intersection of line and this plane. Here equation of plane is given. So we substitute the general point on the line in this equation of plane. So we get lambda. So which condition given, according to that we can substitute. So first to find equation of line through 3, negative 4, negative 5 and 2 minus 3, 1. 2 minus 3, 1. So find the equation of line passing through these 2 points, 3 minus 4 minus 5 and 2 minus 3, 1. That is x minus x1, same formula, x minus x1, this x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. X minus x1, x minus 3 by x2 minus x1, 2 minus 3 minus 1 equal to y minus y1, that is y plus 4. y2 minus y1, minus 3 minus 4, that is 1. Z minus z1, that is z plus 5 by 1 minus 5, 6. So x minus 3 by 2 minus 3 minus 1. Y minus 4, y plus 4 by minus 3 plus 4, that is 1. Z minus 5 by 1 plus 5, 6. So this is the equation of the line. We can equate to lambda and we get the general point on this line. So any point or general point on the line, is, we can find x coordinate. What is x coordinate? Minus 1 into lambda, minus lambda plus 3, minus lambda plus 3. Y coordinate, 1 into lambda, lambda minus 4. Then 6 lambda minus 5. So this is the general point or any point on the line, on this line will be of this form. So according to the different values of lambda, we get different points on this line. So to find the value of lambda, one condition given, which crosses that line, the point where the line crosses this plane. So that means it is the point of plane also. So this point, if this point lies on this plane, we can find the value of lambda. Since this, we want to find the point of intersection of line and plane. So if this point is the point of intersection of line and plane, we can substitute this point in the equation of plane. So now substituting in the plane, equation of plane. Substituting in equation of plane. That is, we get 2x. So equation of plane, 2 into x coordinate minus lambda plus 3. Then plus y coordinate lambda minus 4 plus z coordinate 6 lambda minus 5 equal to 7. So substitute these coordinates in the equation of plane. That is 2x plus y plus z equal to 7. 2 into minus lambda plus 3 plus y lambda minus 4 plus 6 lambda minus 5 plus z equal to 7. Now simplify, you will get the answer. We get the lambda, value of lambda. So simplify. So minus 2 lambda plus 6 plus lambda minus 4 plus 6 lambda minus 5 equal to 7. So minus 2 lambda, 6 lambda plus lambda, 7 lambda, 7 lambda minus 2 lambda, 5 lambda. Then minus 4 minus 5 minus 9, minus 9 plus 6 minus 3, minus 3, 7 plus 3, 10. So lambda equal to 2. So we got lambda equal to 2. Now we want to find the point of intersection of line and plane. So in this is the general point. In this point, in this coordinates, we can substitute lambda equal to 2. So we get the required point. Therefore the required point is equal to lambda 2. So minus 2 plus 3, 1. Then lambda 2, 2 minus 4, minus 2. Then 2 into 6, 12 minus 5, 7. So this is the required point of intersection of line and plane. Okay.